Hey y'all, as you can see it's almost dark, so we better get moving. Tonight we're going to try some fried rice. We have some leftover ham things, so it's going to be a ham thing fried rice. Let's get started. It's cold out, y'all. I'm going to huddle around my griddle to stay warm. I can't remember where I got these. Either discount grocery or Trader Joe's, probably. And I used them on the pizza. They came out pretty good. So we're going with ham fried rice. We also happen to have some frozen steamed fresh vegetables, but we're not steaming them. Golden white corn, carrots, and asparagus. Yum. Let's yeah, I could have gone ahead and steamed them. It'd only take a few seconds, but I didn't. So there. Just add a little oil. And I think these will go pretty good on with the rice. I'm hoping. Got this turned down just a notch below low. But it's a cold day. Maybe I should turn it up a little. I don't know. We'll figure it out in a minute. Did I mention it's cold? It's cold. Let's see, the thermometer says it's under 50. It's been 50, it's 70 in town, and 50 up here in the mountains, and now that the sun's going down, don't let the sun go down on me. Naturally, temperature is going to drop precipitously. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go look up that word in the dictionary. This is cooking up pretty good. Now that we've covered the weather, how about some sports? Ball teams did ball things. I've pretty much given up on pro sports these days. I've been an FSU fan. Yeah, I know. They kind of sucked. A lot. Still got Alabama. I'll even watch Auburn or LSU if I have to. How about those Hoosiers, huh? I'm originally a Hoosier. Then I got to the South as quick as I could. Now I'm out here on the left coast. Don't hold that against me. Still a Southern boy at heart. That's cooking up good. We can probably even mix these two entities together. Yeah, the Indiana football team's ranked number 10. That's the highest I can ever remember. That's pretty awesome. Growing up, Indiana was basketball, and that's it. Anyway, enough about that. What else do we have? We've got some rice. It's plain old white rice. I Cooked it in the Merrill cooker about an hour ago. Generally, I prefer about 2 hours, but it gets dark at noon now. Stupid time change. So, I think it'll be good enough if I can get it out. Yeah. Yep. There it goes. Whee! Just slide on out there. Sticky rice. I think it'll break up just fine. That's my theory, and I'm sticking to it. See? Even though it was sticking, coming out of the pan, it's unsticking nicely. So the hour-ish was okay. The important thing is rinsing it before you cook it and letting it cool. Fluff it up a little bit. I'd like to add a little ghee, but my ghee is kind of almost frozen. Okay, let's add a little garlic. Ooh, smells good. That should be plenty. Can't have too much garlic. That's my supposition for the day. Now, I picked up some chicken flavored bouillon powder, and it sounded interesting. Let's see if we'll give it a little bit of chicken bouillon flavor. Maybe. We'll mix this up a little. Just like me, a little mixed up. But wait, there's more. Yes, Baja, I see your ball. Our co-host, Baja the Wonder Dog, is underneath my feet trying to trip me because she's got a tennis ball. Okay, what else have we got? Hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce is perfect. I'm probably forgetting something too. Normally I had been putting some, next is oyster sauce. I think I got some teriyaki inside. Some soy, I had been using soy too. Last time I did it without, just the hoisin and the oyster. And, it seems to like it. I know I'm forgetting something though. Probably something very important. It's probably going to be terrible now because I can't think of what it is I'm supposed to add. Oh well. Got yum yum sauce inside if we want it. Normally I add some either bamboo shoots or water chestnuts for my lovely assistant because she likes the flavor of that mixed in, or the texture. And I forgot. Don't tell her and she won't notice. It's easier to get forgiveness than to get permission. Don't forget that, boys and girls. Personally, I love the little miniature ears of corn. It's delish. Okay. what else have we got to add? We got some Badia Complete. Yummy. And I've got a really bad habit of forgetting the eggs, like every time. This time I'm remembering. Maybe, if I can get them out of the carton without dropping. Let's just make a little spot here. My griddle tends to tilt downhill, so one ringy-dingy, two ringy-dingy. Oh, look at that, I got it running down the front. Ah. Don't tell. Oh, it's already stuck. Get off, get off. We'll have to clean that later. Okay. Poke the yolk, poke the yolk. Let's just get it scrambled up in here a little before we completely mix it in. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's leave that there. I need a little more hoisin, I can tell. I can just tell by looking at it. Unless I'm wrong. I thought I was wrong once, but I was mistaken. Okay. Get some blending. One of my buddies watches these once in a while and fusses at me for not using two spatulas at a time. I'm just lazy and don't like to wash two at a time. But look at that. Does that look pretty good? I think it's looking pretty good. Should we give it a little taste? Just a little. See how it's coming? I think I hear a woodpecker off yonder. At least there's no coyotes today. Probably end up adding soy sauce. But we can do that post-op, post-production. I know I'm forgetting something, and it's not the soy sauce, but I say this is good enough. What say you? I say we take you off your pedestal. Get off your pedestal. Try to zoom you in a little. And there we go. Ham fried rice. And that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day, and come back and see us.